Welcome back, everybody. It is the party season of graduations and family reunions, so you'll want to make sure that you and your loved ones can hear all those great family discussions very clearly with help from Affordable Audiology.
Dr. Jared Drummond is with us this morning. Good morning to you.
Good morning, ladies. Thank you for having me again.
Well, tell us a little bit about Affordable Audiology.
You bet. So Affordable Audiology is a comprehensive hearing center. That's the short answer, of course. But more specifically, we are your one-stop shop to better hearing. So our clinic is going to offer a wide variety of diagnostic and clinical tests to really get down to the bottom of what those hearing levels are. And then, better yet, if it turns out through our testing that you are a candidate for hearing aids, our clinic is going to guide you on that journey from start to finish. It can be overwhelming picking which hearing aid is going to be a good match for you, what technology level is appropriate, just feeling comfortable putting it on and taking it off. We guide you through all of that so you feel really happy with your purchase.
Well, we were just looking at you in your office setting, but you brought the latest and greatest with you to the studio today. I was telling you the story about how my dad has the kind where he can kind of control background noise and everything like from his phone.
Yes, very neat. So yeah, we have a couple of options I brought with me here. These are just some displays that kind of show you, Lisa, you know, what your father has.
Yeah.
These are behind-the-ear devices. The one on the plaque right here, I don't know if we can zoom in on that at all, but those are going to be options that do connect with a lot of smartphones. They're very small, very discreet, sit behind the ear. And then a big thing we're seeing a lot of is people are very interested in rechargeable hearing aids. That's kind of a buzzword in the hearing tech field.
What does that mean even? I mean...
So rechargeable hearing aids, they're lithium ion, they dock right in this little charging station, and they never require battery replacement.
Oh, okay, okay.
Because I know that can be tough. You're dealing with small parts and maybe fingers that aren't so nimble anymore.
Yep, and some of my elder patients with poor dexterity or just numbness in their hands, it can be hard to change those little parts. So getting away from having to change the batteries frequently, rechargeable is a great solution for a lot of people.
I think, too, a lot of people are afraid of the stigma that can sometimes be associated with hearing aids. And you've got options where you don't even know people are wearing a hearing aid.
Oh, my God. The options today are truly more discreet and visible than really ever. Some of these behind-the-ear ones as well, once they're worn on an actual ear, you can't even tell it's being worn. And then we do have some options that fit inside the canal or completely inside the canal, so they're discreet, invisible, and truly perform better than in years past.
You mentioned you do an evaluation. That must be the first step because a person can't genuinely know if a hearing aid is right for them until they do that.
Exactly right. So yeah, we start with the comprehensive hearing evaluation. We're going to do a variety of tests and measures to figure out, you know, where those levels are, and then beyond that, we're going to closely look at what are your hearing deficiencies. You know, some people might struggle across the board. It doesn't matter if it's a quiet, simple listening area or if it's more complex, like in a restaurant, family gatherings, things like that. And then there's going to be some people that only struggle when it's noisy. So we do look at each patient on an individual level. We try to match up a technology within the product that's going to best meet those needs, because it truly is you know, it's not a cookie-cutter approach that can be taken. It needs to be handled on an individual level. So that's something we do and we're proud of.
And speaking of that, not being a cookie-cutter approach, you have a try before you buy. Very important for people who are, you know, making this investment.
Absolutely. There are so many hearing aids on the market today. You know, there are a variety of different companies. Each company has hundreds of different products to select from. So most people, when they're looking to purchase a hearing aid, they don't even know where to start or what's going to be a good fit for them. So one thing we do, it's a little bit unique, is we allow patients to try out different hearing aids from our office. It's part of our try before you buy product. But even if that, you know, is a solution we go, within the next 60 days after being fit with the hearing aids, we allow you to exchange them for something else or return them if it turns out that's not a good product for your lifestyle. So a lot of flexibility there, and we do truly pride ourselves on finding that best solution for each patient.
Well, the first step is getting into the office for that evaluation. Here's a couple of different locations. On Highway 44 in Oshkosh, there's the number 920-232-4752.
Also, Fond du Lac is 926-3328. There is also a location in Wautoma, and you can check the website for more information, affordableaudiology.com. Thanks, Dr. Jared.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me, guys.